My friends, it's Coach Vigue. Welcome to day 3 of your beginner yoga challenge. This is a full body stretch. You do not want to miss this one. So don't skip away from it. This one may just change your life. Perfect for beginners and everybody else who wants a full body stretching workout. Today's random question: what is your favorite snack? Please comment below. And now let us begin. All right, modify as needed. Always use control. Beginning in child's pose. We're going to add some flows to this one to bring out the strength and flexibility that we so crave. Pressing back into child's pose. We're going to slowly pulse back and forth from child's pose to modified plank. Inhale forward. Simple adjustment. Elbows in. Nice movement in the shoulders. Exhale. Stretch it back for that beautiful, delicious, full spinal and back decompression. Inhale forward. Pressing away, activating the muscles as well as the bones, strengthening the bones, and stretching back. Let's do 3 more. Inhale forward, elbows in, shoulders back. There we have it. Exhale, stretch. Stretch that spine, stretch that lower back. 2 more. Nice and breezy in Florida today. Don't mind that. Especially if you're inside in a stuffy room or whatnot. Enjoy my nature. Inhale, forward. Elbows in, stretch. Strong arms. That's the stuff, my friends. Stretch it back into that. Ooh, unstoppable child's pose. Now let's add on a simple component to make it a true flow and to ratchet up our strength and flexibility. Inhale forward. Now we're going to bring it down onto our stomachs. You can lower down like this or bring the forearms down and place yourself down. I know we have all levels doing this flow with us. Once you get down there, legs are back, hands are on the shoulders, press up slightly into a cobra stretch. We're opening up the chest and abdominals and stretching the lower back, working the arms. We press up, exhale, lower back down. Nice stretch in the spine. Press up as much as you can, of course. Inhale up. Exhale down. Decompression in the spine. One more time. Inhale. And lower. Now make that fun and beautiful transition back to child's pose. Bring it up. Press it back. Let's put it all together. So we're stretching in the child's pose. Our fingers are loose. Our breath is strong. Our mood is incredibly heightened and positive. Inhale forward. We have that modified plank. Exhale, lower down. Bring it down. I heard a few of you go, that's okay. Practice. Cobra. Up we go. Let me go back a little further. There we are. We lift. We lower back down and press back to child's pose. I can't resist. Take the right hand forward, slide the left arm underneath. There's the thread. We're going to make it active. We're going to do 6 total. So inhale, center, place the hand. Exhale, bring it through. Oh, I just had a cavitation. That was pretty incredible. As your body releases, it puts things back to where it needs to be. And thread. Did I miss the biker? Someone just rode through our hot set here. If you didn't see his face, I don't have to pay him. If you see his face, I gotta give him $5,000. Stretch that right arm through. Loosen up the middle back, thoracic area of the spine. All right, my friends. Pressing up. Now, we're gonna come to a downward facing dog. We're going right into it because the more you practice these, your body adapts very quickly with consistency. You can go back to child's pose or bring it up here to down dog. One of our huge foundational poses, if not the biggest, where all the other poses arise from. We're pressing back towards the heels. Keep the legs loose. Just practice your down dog all day. Practice it. Shoulders, relax them. Relax the upper body. That's easier said than done, I know, but that's why we are here. We are here to make a massive positive difference in our health and fitness and the way our body moves, and in doing so, our lives. 2 more breaths. If this is your first down dog, congratulations. It only gets better from here. Your body might be shaking, vibrating, sweating. That's good. Adapting in real time. Okay, bring the knees down. Ooh, hello. Let's come down onto our backs. We have a bridge. I got a bridge to sell you, but this one works. Feet hip width, arms to the sides, head down, or place a pillow under there, but I prefer to bring my head all the way down. Now tilt your pelvis right here. Here's your pelvis. If you ever watch Elvis, you know what a pelvis is. It not only rhymes, but it makes sense. We're going to tilt it up, lifting up into that shoulder bridge. Hence the shoulder bridge, the weight shifts into your shoulders. You're pressing into your heels. Arms can be on your sides. I like to press my elbows into the mat, get a little more lift, and get that nice curve in your lower back. Pooch out your abdominals. Breathe in. Everything fills. Ho, ho, ho. And then exhale. Vacuum out the breath. Drain the breath. Two more breaths. Stabilizing muscles in the spine, in the lower back. I'm watching a leaf just fall all the way down. That was quite lovely. One more breath. Lift. Now exhale. Take your time lowering down. Massage your spine. Massage it. One vertebrae at a time. Each gets its time in the sun here. Oh, down, all the way down. Now bring the knees into the chest. Right hand, right knee, left hand, left knee. Circle those knees. Massaging the lower back, moving the knees around, getting some movement in the shins. Knee circles. I'll give you as much as I can in about 15 minutes. We pack so much in. I know you don't have a lot of time. Make 15 minutes a day to start. Spend with me, Coach Vigue. And your life will never be the same. Switch the direction. We are circling, churning those muscles that may have been very stagnant, very stiff. Encouraging blood flow. Okay, one more circle, and then the bridge one more time. That's extra credit right there. Fingers and toes, shake them out. Do a little of this, take out the tension. When you're ready, pelvis, tilt. If you want a little more, come up onto your tippy toes. I do a lot of core and flexibility work at night. I mesh it in with my whatever work I'm doing, and usually old 80s sitcoms or old black and white movies are on the TV. It's a heck of a night. I love it. It's an event. Working the body, trying out some new things, practicing, keeping the blood going, and building these strong stabilizer muscles in here. Abdominals, lower back, hips and glutes, the core. Two more breaths. Oh, my friends, feet flat, lowering down, thinking about your favorite snack, perhaps. Wait till the end, and you could let us know. All right, knees in once again. Now this time, circle the knees separately. I'm going outward, outward. Breathe into the circle. The back of my cap is snagging on my mat. I don't include that in my books. Circle. Opening up the hips, the groin, the psoas. Other direction. The blessed breeze. One more circle. Around and around. While we're here, we're going to drop those legs side to side. Extend the top leg if you like. We're going to inhale center, exhale, extend. Or keep both the knees bent, just like this. Just like this. When I do a, quote, beginner video, I, of course, include foundational things. I think if you've never done yoga before, these kind of disciplines, what do you need right away? What is more accessible? And then I also like to show you what's in front of it, what comes next. Because in no time at all, with consistency, you will improve, you will adapt, and your body will want more. So in the flow, we start to create add-ons. Building a language, building a sentence. We start forming phrases, subjects, verbs, all that. I want to give you somewhere to go all the time. One more time over to the side. All right, let's come to hands and knees position. Okay. Always check the surroundings. Hands and knees. Hands on the shoulders. Elbows in, knees under the hips. Balance the cat. Core, flexibility, balance, and cats. Ketsa. Right leg back. Sha. Stay here with the elbows in or extend your left arm. One of my favorite poses, stretches, core exercises. 3 breaths. Ooh. My notes. I love being outside. I love filming outside. I love training outside. I go to the gym because I like strength training, but oh man, I want to be out here. I want to be out with the blue skies and the breeze and my notes flying all over the place. All right, my friends. Child's pose before we go to the other side. This time, take your palms to the edges of your mat and press back, or gauge wherever that would be if you don't have a mat. Stretch. Nobody ever regrets expanding and elongating their spine and back like this. You don't say, I felt amazing until I started doing child's pose. Now my back hates me. We get this stretch right there. Okay. Now balance the cat on the other side. Are we ready? Yes, we are. The left leg is going to go back first. Elbows in, shoulders back, posture, alignment, form. Right leg, or right arm rather, if you wish. 5 breaths. Stretching through the fingers, through the toes. Find your focal point. Of course, a lot of balance. Your core has to work to stabilize and hold this pose to make it happen. Nothing is by accident. Okay, bring it down. Let's bring it forward onto your stomachs. And once again, cobra. Hands down. Get that spine to lift, those abdominals to open. There's also something called an upward facing dog if you want to extend the arms up, knees off the mat or knees down. Again, that's what's ahead of you. That's what's ahead of you. Lower down. Now, press up and back. We're going to finish off with lunge twists. Tell you what, let's come to down dog since I teased it before. You don't just want to do it once. It's too good for that. Pressing back. See if your body's loosened up a little bit since the last time. Let me hold my notes here for a second. The Florida breeze is making itself known. The Florida breeze. There we are. Stretching back. Heels towards the mat. Modify or take the pressure off rather by bending the knees. Okay, bring the knees down. Take your right foot forward. And we have what we call a low lunge. As you're comfortable, you could slide that left knee back. That's up to you. We did a lunge in the previous video. Now we're going to add a twist. The left hand is down. You can place your forearm on this leg. Stay right here. Or bring this arm up. Or bend the elbow and pull the arm back. Got it? 4 breaths. Exhale, twist. Always twisting. Rotational flexibility and strength. right, lunge other side, left foot, find that lunge, add the twist if you wish, hand down or make a fist, and up we go. And do 4 deep breaths. Awesome. Down dog. Shake it out. Anytime you need to, you can bring the knees down in child's pose. All right, standing position. Standing position. We'll finish here. However you need to come up, come on up. Am I still in the sun? Good. Now I'm going to venture into this one. It's called a triangle pose. Turn that back foot in, open up that left hip or right hip. Place the hand here on the leg and arm comes up, okay? Triangle, opening up, similar to what we just did with the lunge with a twist. If you want a little bit more, place the hand lower, but you have this support right here, your hand on your leg. 3 more breaths. Creating space in the sides and the chest. It's a fantastic pose, and I'm so excited to share it with you. All right, bring it up. Nothing too fancy. We're going to turn to the other side. Always balance out the sides. Triangle. Hand here or down here. Arm up. 3 more deep breaths. Rising up. Shake it out. Great work, my friends. Remember, what is your favorite snack? Leave your answer in the comment section below. Keep practicing. I'll see you tomorrow for day number 4. If this video helped, please click that like button. It really helps many more people see this video. Subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. It helps me magnificently. So thank you, my friends.
Thank you very much for that, and as always,
Coach Vigue will see you around. Well, hello again, my friend. I want to thank you for training with me today by offering you a free, exclusive 30-minute yoga video from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you need to do to get this workout is to click the first link in the comment section below, and boom, that workout is all yours. Go get it, right?